Hello ladies and gentlemen, it is me Ubuntu Help Guy, and in this video I want to show you how to change the switches on your mechanical keyboard. Now this is an CM Storm QuickFire XT mechanical keyboard with blue switches, and I've got an unboxing on this keyboard on my of this keyboard on my first on my main channel, and so I'm gonna include an annotation on the screen right now so you can watch that unboxing if you haven't already. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna show you how to change the switches. So I hope this is in focus. When I unboxed the keyboard, I saw that these switches caps, the key caps, were included. So why not just change them? And I'm gonna show you how to do. Very easy, I hope, and I know it's gonna be very easy actually. Okay, this is the key removal tool. I hope you can see that. And this is the key that is gonna be right here, the A key, and this is the S key. It says S on the bottom, so it's gonna be right here. It's gonna point up. Sorry for that. Here we go, something like that. And the W key switch is gonna be right here. Not pointing down, but you know. And the D key switch is gonna be right here. And also we've got, I think, the Cooler Master key switch for the Windows key, and the, what is it? It is a Cooler Master logo, I think, for the Windows Shift key, maybe. I'm not entirely sure. But there you go. So to remove the keys that are already on the keyboard, you just take this removal tool and you click it down, and you just do this. You just pull up, and I don't know if you can see that, but it is indeed a blue switches, a keyboard with blue switches. So this is the W key. And let's find the W right here, so you can see. Very cool. So let's put that on. W key. You just press down. There you go. That's it. Let's change the other ones also. Click and pull. Voila! So this is how the final result looks like, and yeah, you just pull up with your key removal tool, and then you press down on the new key, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, have a nice day, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, Girl Scout.